In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall or remove Instagram Lite app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to permanently remove this app, there are two ways you can achieve this. First, just go to your app and long press on it, and you should see we have an option to uninstall it. So that is the straightforward method. However, if you can't, then go to Google Play Store. If you're on Android like me, here is the app, Google Play Store, or if you're on iPhone, you should look for an app called App Store. Then tap on it, and using the search bar here, just search for your app. So I'll search for Instagram Lite, and here's the Instagram Lite app. Tap on it to expose more features, and as you can see, now we have an option to uninstall it. By choosing this, you just need to confirm that indeed you want to uninstall, and this will remove Instagram Lite app together with its files from your smartphone. So now if I go back to my apps, you can see Instagram Lite app has been uninstalled. So that's how you can uninstall Instagram Lite app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.